I spent almost 4 months building my first mobile app, and then I quit it. Not because it didn't work, but because I realized it wasn't meant to exist. I was building Daily Goals, a mobile tracker application that tracks your goals, routines, helps you journal and stay motivated with daily motivational quotes. It was so generalized that this is what caused the app's downfall and made me stop this project. Let me get specific in the reasons, and I hope these will help you in building your own applications. First, the app was too generic. I wasn't building for a specific group of people, I was building for everyone. And when you build for everyone, you end up building for no one. What pain does my app solve? Keeping track of goals, stay focused and complete your tasks? Well, people already have Apple Notes, Notion, built-in reminders, so what was the added value of my app? I realized that there was none. Also, adding more features to an app doesn't mean adding more values. When my app got rejected by Google, my reaction wasn't to simplify, but to add more features. That's when I realized that I wasn't adding value, rather overcluttering my project. I realized that quitting this application was the most real decision I did, and here's what I learned. The apps you build will be used by people, so building something nobody needs is like buying a car and still taking the metro every day. That's why the idea must be a pain point that the users experience. Getting an idea can be a tough process. A good place to start is by asking yourself, what problem do I wish someone had solved? Chances are, other people are thinking the same thing. And your project doesn't need to be the next big thing. Small, boring, focused apps often win because they solve one annoying problem really well. And it's important to know how to criticize yourself. When building a project, we sometimes go into an adrenaline state that we can't see how weak the idea is, but once we finish it, we understand that it was useless. Knowing when to stop will save you time and energy to build something else. But will it compensate on the lost effort of building the app? It will not, but let's look at it in a positive view. You shipped, you deployed, you finished the app. That alone puts you ahead of most developers. And every project you build always teaches you new things, which you can use in your next projects. So don't look at it as lost effort, rather as a learning phase. Getting rejected by Google might have been the signal that I need to stop and think. My next app is built around one painful problem for one specific group of people. If you want to see how that turns out, stay tuned. So tell me in the comment section, what's a project you should have quit earlier? And what did it teach you? Alright, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.